Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we'll tackle a common problem that macOS users might face. The problem at hand involves finding a way to make the red close button function like a consistent Ctrl+Q, similar to how it works on Windows and Linux. In terms of solution, unfortunately, macOS does not have a built-in setting to enable this behavior. Apple designed the window decoration controls with the intention that apps should decide for themselves whether to self-quit when the last window closes. Thankfully, there is a nifty tool called SwiftQuit that can help achieve the desired functionality. It allows for automatic quitting of macOS apps when closing their last window, giving you more control over when an app closes. Additionally, you can configure SwiftQuit to quit when the last window of any app is closed, or you can even create a specific list of apps for this feature. You also have the option to exclude certain apps that you don't want to quit automatically. It's a handy tool that can enhance your macOS experience by tailoring the behavior of app closures to your preferences. In summary, if you've been struggling with macOS not offering a native way to make the red close button act like a quit command, SwiftQuit is here to save the day. With this tool, you can customize which apps automatically quit when their last window is closed, giving you more control and streamlining your workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, it's all about making your tech experience as smooth as possible.